Hello students, I am Mansi Gaikar, your drawing and craft teachers. So today I am going to teach you something important nowadays because day to day life it is more going to critical. So as you know there are many bacteria in our surrounding and it's affected to our health. So it's going through in our mouth. So that's why we need to make a mask. So here I am going to show you two types of mask. One is a disposal mask and another one is a washable with a cloth and disposal mask with a tissue paper. So for that, to make a mask, what we things need, I am telling you. So let's start. Here we need tissue paper, thick rope, two thick rope, one scissor, glue, Fevicol, so let's start. Take a tissue paper. Here I am taking one square tissue, two square tissue paper. You have to fold in half. You are getting their middle line. So one side you have to fold till the middle line. And that extra part, upper side, left side, you have to cut. Cut carefully. Children, please, while cutting, take care. The tissue paper is so light, so cut carefully. Now the size is like this, 17 and 22. 17 centimeter and 22 centimeter horizontal. Now fold in half. Reopen that fold. You are getting there again middle line. So in that middle line, till the middle line, you have to fold from upside. Press gently the folds. From downside also you have to fold same. After that, again that folding part you have to fold backwards half. Upper flap also you have to fold half. After that two corners in a triangle shape you have to see how I am doing in the video. That triangle shape you have to fold and apply there a little glue and stick into the triangle. Same the downside also. The same procedure you have to do the opposite words. Apply the glue on the corners and fold into triangle and stick it. After that, the two sides you have to apply the glue. Leave little distance, like 1 finger distance, and apply the glue and stick there our rope, whatever you having at home. Stick there. Then again apply the glue on that rope. And fold that remaining part overlap on the rope. Yeah, see, this is very easy. Our mask is ready by sticking our rope. You can see this how to wear. Now you have to cover your mouth, nose and chin and tie behind the ear. This is a disposal mask. After using you can remove that threads. Yeah. So now the second type of disposal mask, same tissue with a tissue paper. Here I have taken 2 tissue papers, same method, fold in a half. You will get their middle line, and after middle line you have to fold again till the middle line. Extra part you have to cut. Remember, we need only 17 by 22 centimeter, horizontal 22 centimeter and vertical 17 centimeter. While cutting, please be careful. Now the second method, a different ways. See the 2 centimeter distance folds, like we are doing a fan fold, alternative folds. That types of folds you have to do here. Simple. See, after that alternative folds we have done. Then both the sides you have to put rubber band, whatever you having at home. Apply the glue and fold it inside. Same procedure this side, opposite side also. Apply the glue and stick it properly, the edges. This you can do with a stapler also, without except that Fevicol. Now see, here your mask is ready. So children, without elders' help, you can do alone this mask and you can help. And there is a third one method of the same disposal mask with the tissue papers. Here also we need 2 tissue papers. Same cutting, we have to fold in till the middle line and reopen that folds and cut extra part, because we need horizontal 22, vertical 17 centimeter. After that, the third one method, how to do. See, same like the alternative fold, you have to take little from upward side, leave the little distance. And how I am doing the folds, see that properly. Overlap little part. See, this way only 3 times you have to overlap that, and the sides you have to stick. Press it gently. the sides you have to stick with the glue. Here you can stapler it also. Same opposite words also. Apply the little glue. Here. After sticking, turn over, then behind both the sides, right and left, you have to take a rope, yeah, satin lace, whatever you having, you have to stick that in U shape, yeah, you can say the C shape. Yeah, for safety it will not remove, that's why I am doing here stapler also. See how I did the stapler, that both the sides when the pin it will be harsh, that is the outside. Like this you can wear. Here we need one big square size of cloth. Yeah, you can say the handkerchief, but it should be little big. Then you have to fold in half, you join two corners opposite words, like this triangle you have to make, and tie on your face along that nose should be covered, mouth, chin. And how to tie, see that, simple. Then adjust your cloth, there is getting two flaps downside, triangles shape. One side you have to cover, insert inside, and the lower layer you have to again insert the left side. So children, this is also very easy mask. Without help elders you can do alone. So children, here we have learned today 3 disposal masks with tissue and 1 washable mask from cloth.